Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find the battery health status of any Windows laptop. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So for this, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard or your laptop keyboard, you need to press Win plus R to enable the run program. So on the run program, what you need to type is cmd. After typing cmd, you can either click OK or you can click enter on your computer keyboard. Now the command prompt program will get open. Now under this command prompt, what you need to type is you need to type one word, power cfg, that is configuration. You need to hit space slash type battery report. Once you type this command, just hit enter on your computer keyboard or your laptop keyboard. Now here you will get one message, battery live report saved to file path C user this. So let's move to this PC, and now we'll locate to C drive where this data has been saved. Now after that, you can follow these instructions. You can go to the users, after that my name, after that you can see here battery report. Just scroll down below, you can see here battery report. Just double left click to open it with any of your web browser. So you can see here battery report regarding about my battery report. So install batteries here in the below. I have one battery and the manufacturer is from the HP company. Yes, it's right, I'm using from the HP and it's a lithium ion. And here you can see a design capacity. The capacity 38,286 milliwatt hour. So you can see here full charge capacity. So almost I've replaced it quite a few months, but it's a new one, so it's showing a full charge capacity. But if you're having a very old battery or a very old laptop which is old battery and you did not replace it since for a long years, then you might see some here decrease in number. If it is decreased like to the 1000 or 2000, it's very less compared to the original design capacity, then there is a chances that you need to get replaced because your battery life is going to die very soon. But if you see it's like 30,000 or just few numbers lesser than the original one, then it's okay, you can still continue it for some more years. But if you see it like it's like 40 times just lesser than the original capacity, then definitely you need a replacement to get a new laptop battery. So in this way you can check the health status of your any laptop battery where you are using a Windows operating system. So this is the easiest way to find the battery health status in any Windows laptop. So you can see here more details about when your capacity remaining and when you have just started charging or when you have start using your laptop in the battery mode or you are using a current. So you can see here complete details and history about your battery uses and about the battery details. So I'm sure if you never known about this cool tricks, then try it out by yourself. One day it will be highly helpful to know about your battery health status using these cool tricks. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.